Hello, I'm just doing a quick unboxing of my new lens, which is the Sigma 30mm 1.4, which is for my Canon 550D camera, just purchased today. So let me just unbox it now. Got your normal papers for Sigma, instruction guides, installation guides, which I never read. Got your Sigma warranty. Apparently it's a warranty for 3 years, so warranty card. And here is the actual lens. Nothing in there. Every Sigma lens comes with its own pouch. Here's the lens hood. There's the pouch. There's nothing else in there. And there is the lens. It is quite heavy. I've had this lens for about half a day and I've got a bit of a mixed one on it. Basically I like the build quality, but I do not like some of the autofocusing issues I find, and it does make quite a bit of sound when focusing and when it's hunting fine focus, as you can hear now. Here's a comparison to the 50mm 1.4, just so you can see the size difference. And I'm about to show you some photographs I've taken. The first is with autofocus, and it does miss the focus point, which is the 4 on the shirt, and once I crop the picture you can see it's still out of focus, but in some instances it is very sharp, as in with this example. Even when cropped it is still very sharp and clear. What I tend to do now is use it manually, focus manually, as in this photograph, and in the cropped version you can see it's far more sharp than the previous version. And I'm just showing you what the lens looks like on my camera. Overall I'm not sure if I could recommend it. I would probably have to use it a lot more, which I intend to. So this is my 30mm Sigma 1.4 Digital Tech Life.